What's the plan?
We are going to test out the dinghy's new motor and then spend the night on the boat.
That sounds fun. So it's your first week of summer. Was it a good week? Why was it a good week?
Because there was no school.
Because there was no school.
The plane was abandoned in the sky.
So this week, first week of no school, you got to go to a friend's house. What else?
Swim in our new pool.
You got to swim in the new pool. And today, you're gonna go inflate the new dinghy and take it out on the bay. Man, you must have some really great parents.
Cooper finished some coursework, and his reward for finishing it was getting a dinghy for our sailboat. We found a good deal on a used one in our area that a guy had only used a couple of times. It is an inflatable without a solid bottom from West Marine.
Hello, welcome to our newest boat, Erie.
Calling the dinghy the same name as the lake?
Yes.
We might have to work on that. Snap it in.
We had it registered and paid for its license. Cooper figured out how to attach the seats and the oars, and it was time to launch his new-to-him dinghy. Cooper's grandpa Gene had an old 70s model air-cooled engine that he let us borrow, and we headed out onto the harbor. We got some concerned looks as we motored by because the motor was really loud.
I love it. I'm thankful for it.
What?
I'm thankful for it.
We be zipping,
Look at that!
cruising. They're up on plane.
They're what?
It's called being up on plane.
Hey, you wanna go ask them for a drink? I mean, like, oh yeah, and they'd be like, oh yeah, this is a classic motor, I gotta get this. How much you want for it? Your motor. Sure, this is a classic motor. See how fast we're cruising? I thought we were going, I'm like, we're going to move it. Now we're moving. Welcome to the cruise series. It's a great brand for me. We just woke up this morning and we started packing up stuff.
So, good breakfast and then come back?
Yep.
Okay. We gotta move.
We spent the night on the boat, and the following day there was this random nautical flea market happening at our marina. It was really random, but we decided to look for a different motor for his dinghy.
So, what's going on?
Gonna maybe buy a motor.
Buy a motor? At where are we gonna buy a motor at?
Flea market.
It's a flea market.
Flea.
I think there's fleas here.
Yeah, there's one right there.
You want me to carry it?
Sure, it's heavy. It's real heavy.
There you go. Let go.
Whoa. Big fat ass.
What'd you get?
A new motor!
So tell me about your negotiating tactics.
I said 25.
So how much was he asking for it?
30.
$30. Okay. And how much did you offer?
25.
Okay. And then how much did you get it for?
20.
He
Goes down by 5.
He gave you a deal, huh?
Yeah.
He gave you a deal.
Deal.
What are the 3 things we bought at the flea market?
motor, a grill, and a bike rack.
A motor, a grill, and a bike rack.
Yes.
So it was a good day.
Yes.
After some carb cleaner and a new gas line, a few days later it was time to take the motor and boat out for a trip to the West Harbor Sandbar.
Update. Motor dead. Another update. Boat deflating. Other news. Dad's having to row us to safety.
That's right. Out for a little row.
We are here. We have arrived. Day 107.
So we made the sandbar. I think we have a leak in our dinghy, and the motor crapped out, but we made it.
My wife Jenny commented this summer about how water does something in Cooper, like down in his soul. It calms him, eases his anxiety, and fills him all at the same time. I don't know about you, but getting away from the screens, devices, and hustle and bustle of life, getting to hear the waves and the water just doing their thing as they have for the last 5,000 years or so, is a good reminder for all of us to slow down and live in these moments. They are life-giving.
Day 150. We have been rowing for some time. Found this show on our voyage. Motor's busted and Dad's rowing. Well, it's not exactly busted. My dad just doesn't want to use it. Right, Dad?
Yeah, getting a little arm workout in. Are we moving pretty good?